Ever had an Excel file you needed to work on in Google Sheets but weren't sure how to make the switch? In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Excel to Google Sheets in just few simple steps. No headaches, no technical jargon, just quick and easy. So, let's do this. Step 1. Open your Excel document first. Basically, this is the file that we're going to convert. Next step, open Chrome browser. Click these square dots and look for Google Sheets. Click on it and click blank spreadsheet. Now click File on the upper left part, then select Open. Choose Upload, then tap on Browse. Find your Excel file, select it, and tap Open button to upload. Simple, right? Just wait for seconds to convert your Excel file into a Google Sheets format while keeping all your data intact. And that's it. Your Excel file is now on a Google Sheet, ready for collaboration and all those handy Google features. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.